Hi, today we are going to talk about Lodgify. Lodgify is a powerful vacation rental management platform that simplifies property management with features like unified inbox, customizable websites, and dynamic pricing. It empowers hosts to enhance guest experience while efficiently managing bookings across multiple channels. You can explore the benefits of Lodgify with our exclusive offer. Click the link in the description to enjoy a risk-free 7-day trial and explore how Lodgify can enhance your vacation rental management experience without any commitment. In this video, we are going to explore its features and how it can help your business. Also, we are going to discuss the pricing. Let's start with the top features. Centralized management. Lodgify's property management software features a multi-calendar that consolidates bookings from various channels, including Airbnb and Booking.com, into one dashboard. This integration eliminates double bookings and saves time by synchronizing changes across all platforms automatically, enhancing operational efficiency. The software includes task management tools that help property owners coordinate cleaning schedules and maintenance, ensuring properties are always guest-ready. The intuitive interface allows for easy navigation, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. Seamless channel integration. The Vacation Rental Channel Manager connects your listings across major platforms like Vrbo and Expedia, ensuring automatic synchronization of bookings, calendars, and rates. This eliminates the need for manual updates, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring accurate inventory management across all channels. By utilizing advanced algorithms, the channel manager optimizes pricing strategies based on market demand and competitor rates, helping property owners stay competitive. This functionality not only boosts visibility but also increases potential revenue through effective distribution. Custom website creation. Lodgify's website builder allows users to create personalized vacation rental websites without coding knowledge. With customizable templates and integrated booking features, property owners can showcase their listings effectively, enhancing visibility and attracting more guests to their rental properties. The builder also includes SEO optimization tools to improve search engine visibility, driving organic traffic to the website. Additionally, users can integrate social media links and blogs to engage potential guests further, creating a comprehensive online marketing strategy. Extensive integrations. Lodgify offers a wide range of integrations with popular tools and platforms, allowing users to enhance their property management capabilities. These integrations streamline operations by connecting various services, improving efficiency, and enabling users to tailor their management systems to specific needs. Mobile accessibility. The Lodgify mobile app provides property managers with on-the-go access to their bookings and property information. This flexibility allows users to manage reservations, communicate with guests, and oversee operations from anywhere, ensuring timely responses and efficient management while away from the office. Booking widget feature. Lodgify's booking widget can be embedded on existing websites, allowing visitors to book directly without navigating away. This feature enhances user experience by simplifying the booking process, increasing conversion rates, and providing a seamless transition from browsing to booking for potential guests. Additionally, the widget is customizable to match the website's design aesthetics, ensuring a cohesive look and feel. By providing a straightforward booking process, it reduces friction for guests and encourages more direct bookings, ultimately benefiting the property owner financially. You can try out all these features with our exclusive offer. Click the link in the description to enjoy a risk-free 7-day trial and explore how Lodgify can enhance your vacation rental management experience without any commitment. Lodgify is a versatile vacation rental management software that caters to various use cases. property managers can utilize its channel manager to synchronize listings across platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo, ensuring maximum visibility and occupancy. Additionally, the website builder allows users to create professional sites for direct bookings, reducing reliance on third-party commissions. For remote property owners, Lodgify mobile app facilitates management on the go, while its integrated payment processing ensures secure transactions. Lodgify streamlines operations and enhances guest experiences for property managers of all sizes. When it comes to pricing, Lodgify has a flexible pricing structure. It has 3 major plans, but the prices will depend on the number of your properties. The more properties you have, the more expensive it's gonna get. The starter plan starts at $16 per month if you pay annually. With this plan, you will have access to 24/7 email plus phone support, unified inbox, property management software, owner access, basic analytics, and mobile management app. The professional plan starts at $20 per month if you pay annually, and it includes everything from the starter plan, plus you will get damage protection pre-authorization, custom automated guest messaging and workflow, manual payment collection and processing, and advanced direct booking capabilities. It also comes with integration with Google Vacation Rentals. The ultimate plan starts at $29 if you pay annually, and it includes everything in professional, plus you will get owner's reports, owner payments, online check-in form, advanced analytics and reporting, owner statements, digital guidebook mobile app, and free Cherno subscription. In conclusion, Lodgify is a powerful tool for vacation rental management, offering essential features that streamline operations and enhance guest experiences. However, potential users should weigh its drawbacks, including costs and customization limitations, to determine if it meets their specific needs. You can explore the benefits of Lodgify with our exclusive offer. Click the link in the description to enjoy a risk-free 7-day trial and explore how Lodgify can enhance your vacation rental management experience without any commitment. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.